Alright, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to pick up some calculus here. We're going to be talking about the P-series test. So we're asked to use the P-series test to determine if the series converges or diverges. So this is going to be a very quick video. It's not going to take very long at all. So the P-series test is one of the easiest tests of them all to use. And you'll be using it a lot when you once you start learning about the integral test. But we'll talk about the integral test in another video. Okay, so what is the P-series test? Okay, so let's just talk about it very quickly. Again, this video won't take long, very basic test here. So if I have some series, that takes the form, 1 over k raised to the p. Basically what the P-series test says is that if p is greater than 1, it converges. And if p is less than or equal to 1, it diverges. Okay? And it's really just as simple as that. Again, you'll get a heavy dose of using this when you learn the integral test. Okay? And you actually meet the P-series test in other aspects as well, not just with the integral test. P-series test can be helpful in certain conditions as well, other situations as well. So this is the form that you need to be looking for. Again, it's a relatively straightforward procedure or test to apply. However, as you know, with math, you can always tweak things. Don't expect it to always be given to you in this form. Sometimes you may need to rewrite it and see if you can do it. Use the P-series test. So don't expect it to always be given in that form, because a lot of times it won't be. You have to change it up a little bit. So in our particular scenario, we got 1 over the 4th root of k raised to the 3rd. Okay, so no big deal, right? So the best thing that we can do here to use the P-series test is to simply rewrite this and see if it converges or not. So how would we rewrite this? Well, remember, let's just focus on that denominator here. Remember that if I have, let's say I have the nth root of x raised to the m. Well, that's just going to give me, or I can just write that as x raised to the m all divided by n. So what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite this 4th root of k raised to the 3rd and get it into this form. That way we can apply the test. It's really just that simple. So now, if we rewrite it, it'll become 1 over, and it's going to be k raised to the 3 over 4. Now it's in the correct form. We can apply the test now. And it's very obvious to see that p here is obviously going to be less than 1, because 3 over 4 in a calculator, just put it in a calculator, and obviously it gives you less than 1, or 0.75. So p here is 3 over 4, which is 0.75, which we know is in fact less than 1. So since it's less than 1, it diverges. And it's just as simple as that. Okay, so your final answer here, when they asked us to use this P-series test, we can say that this series diverges by the P-series test. And it's just as simple as that. Alright, so that's going to be it. Hopefully all that made sense. As you can see, pretty straightforward. Okay, we'll see you guys next time.